Hello everyone. I am glad to welcome you all to this video on how to deploy Bold BI in Azure App Service. First, let's see what an Azure App Service is. The Azure App Service is a fully managed platform as a service offered by Microsoft. It allows you to build, deploy, and scale web apps, mobile backends, and APIs in the cloud. Now, let's look at the prerequisites required to deploy Bold BI in Azure App Service. To deploy Bold BI, you should have a Microsoft Azure subscription, Bold BI Enterprise Edition license, and Microsoft SQL 2012 Plus or PostgreSQL or MySQL database. Next, let's see how to deploy Bold BI in the Azure App Service. Open the Azure portal with your subscription account. Click Create a Resource to open the new resource creation page. Here, search for Template Deployment and select Deploy using Custom Template. Here, navigate to build your template in Editor, and the Edit Template window will open. Copy the most recent Bold BI deployment template from the Accounts section on our website by following the link provided in this video's description. Replace it in the Edit Template window, and save the file. Next, select your Azure subscription and create a new resource group by clicking Create New. Name the resource group and click OK. Next, select the appropriate region and provide a name for the application. The domain URL for the application will be created with this name. Provide a unique storage account name and proceed with the default account type. After providing the required details in the form, click Review plus Create. Now, click Create to start the application deployment. Once deployment is completed, you will receive a message saying, your deployment is complete. Here, click Go to Resource, and select the App Service file under Resources. Click the default domain link, and after loading for some time, the application will open on the browser page. Now, you can perform application startup by following the video link in this description. Next, let's upgrade the App Service plan to improve application performance. The application will be deployed in the basic App Service plan by default. You can upgrade the App Service plan to improve the application performance. Upgrade it by replicating the following steps. Open the Azure portal where the application is deployed and search for Scale Up. Click Scale Up from the left side panel. Next, choose the required Standard or Premium plan to upgrade and click Select. Click Upgrade in the Upgrade Pricing Plan pop-up. Now, the App Service plan will be upgraded to the selected plan. Next, let's see the process of installing client libraries for the application. In the Application Resource group, select the App Service file under Resources. Search Kudu and select Advanced Tools from Development Tools. Here, click Go, and you will be redirected to the Kudu Services page. Under the Debug console, select PowerShell. The PowerShell window will open. Navigate to the client library location path mentioned in the help documentation in the video description. Copy the command from the help documentation for installing the client libraries. Paste the command in the Kudu PowerShell and run it. Looking here, all the mentioned client libraries have been installed in the application. Next, let me upgrade the Bold BI Azure App Service to the latest version. Open the Azure portal and navigate to the Application Resource Group Overview section. Here, click Stop to stop the running instances of the application. Select Deployment Center under Deployment in the left side panel. Click Disconnect in the source field and click OK in the pop-up to confirm disconnecting the deployment and open the deployment option. Here, select the source, External Git. Copy the repository for External Git from the help documentation link in the description and paste it into the repository field. Provide the branch as needed to upgrade to the required version of the application. Select the repository type as public and click Save. After completing the setup, you will receive a message Successfully Set Up Deployment. Now, click Sync and click OK in the pop-up to confirm the application redeployment to update the recent configuration. After some time, navigate to the Logs tab, and you can see the deployment status as Success, Active. Navigate to the Overview section from the left side panel. Click Start to start the Bold BI application services. Refresh the application deployed site, and now you can see that the application deployment is completed successfully. With this, we have reached the end of the video. In this video, I have shown you the overview of the Azure App Service, prerequisites for deploying Bold BI in Azure App Service, steps involved in deploying Bold BI in Azure App Service, upgrading the App Service plan, installing client libraries, and upgrading Bold BI Azure App Service to the latest version. I hope to see you all soon with another informative and helpful video to enhance your technical knowledge. Thanks for watching.